up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic weekend. We finally got the KX250 back from Pro Circuit. Now they went through and did the whole motor on this thing, and let me tell you guys, this thing is a fucking monster. You guys have no idea how excited I am for this thing. Even just to be able to ride it, even just to say that I own it. This is probably the best thing I've ever invested in, and I'm pumped to share it with you guys. In today's video, we're gonna go out on a quick little ride and see what we can get into. Pump. All right, so let's go ahead and explain to you guys what's exactly done here. So we got a brand new piston in this thing. It's a JE piston. Not sure the spec, but I know that it comes in the kit. You get the piston and the whole valve train set up for this thing. The head was CNC ported. Well, if you can tell the difference of the porting in this thing, it is such a smooth riding bike, and the power is super linear. Like, I can't really explain it, but it rides so smooth. And I mean, combining that with the Pro Circuit air boot, the twin air kit that you can get, as well as they also did a throttle body modification. Well, you can't really see that, but from my understanding, they go through, they send the throttle body out, and they do a flat modification, if I'm not mistaken. Not 100% sure, but you know, the throttle response on this thing is right there. You know, when you need that power, it immediately gets on, and the power curve, the power is just so linear. Like, it's hard to explain, but it rides so good. Dude, I'm so fucking excited, guys. Arm pump. This thing smells good. All right, guys, so this was kind of a quick little first ride on the new motor. What the well, it looks like we're leaking some sort of fluid. $8,000 in this bike is leaking fluid. Why is there, what even is this? I don't know if it's oil. Coolant. We're leaking coolant. I wonder where, oh. Looks like we're leaking from right here. Let's get this thing down and check out why we're leaking. Well, that's just dandy. $8,000 race motor and it's starting to leak. You can see it's not a lot of coolant, but it's a lot of coolant that I shouldn't be coming out. All right, now that we're in some light, let's look and see if I can see where it's coming from. It looks like somewhere top hose. All right, let's see if it is just not tight, which is why I should have went through the bike after getting it from Pro Circuit, but I did not, so that is on me. Let me go through all these. Maybe it was just a little loose. Well, we'll just have to keep an eye on this and see if she keeps leaking, because that should not be happening, but I guess it's happening. Well then, what a bummer. What a bummer. Let's see if she still starts though. Check how much coolant I have. Still got coolant. We're solid. I think it was just a loose clamp. Doesn't seem to be leaking anymore, but we will keep an eye on it next time. And yeah. All right, guys, well, that was an unfortunate event. I mean, $8,000 and the motor's already leaking after a very, very easy ride on this thing. Not blaming anybody. I should have double checked before I went out. My fault, whatever. But I think I did find the culprit on this thing, which was that hose clamp was kind of loose. It did take a little bit more turns than I really wanted it to, but it's part of the game. We got that figured out. Hopefully we don't find any more coolant leaking, but we shall see. Anyways, next video, we're gonna go through and do a race prep on this bike and then hopefully get onto a track for the first time with this thing. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, as well as if you wanna see more content like this and help support the channel, the best way and the free way to do it is subscribe to the channel. We're gonna be pushing out some more amazing content with the 250, AKA this bike, as well as we got this RM125 that is in the process of being built, which I'm going to be doing a couple episodes in the next few weeks on this bike, and then we're going to kind of alternate between this bike and that bike. So if you guys are interested in that, hit that subscribe button. I will catch you on the next video. Peace.